Assalamu alaikum shabake, asha korchi shobai bhalo achen. So in today's lesson we'll be learning about the concept of contractions that native speakers tend to use ubiquitously in almost every conversation. What is a contraction? Contractions involve joining two words together using an apostrophe. They are commonly used in informal written English and spoken English. The most common contractions are made up of verbs, auxiliaries, or modals attached to other words. Some examples include he would, which equates to he'd, I have, which is simplified to I've, they are, which is there, and you cannot, which is simplified to you can't. Contractions help to simplify language, and many people use them to help simplify the spoken English. Knowing different examples of contractions and their meanings is crucial because they are used everywhere in English, especially in conversational or informal language. So প্রথমে তো হচ্ছে are not. Are not. এটার contraction হবে aren't. So this is one of the first contractions that's commonly used by native speakers. So yeah, it's aren't. Pronunciation hobe aren't. So if you want to know what it stands for, it is are not. The simplified version is aren't. Aren't. Pretty much the way you pronounce aren't. The next one is cannot. Just like the before one, this one is can't. Can't. The expanded version is cannot. But when you simplify, it's can't. Can't. I'll use a different color this time. Probably use, pink. Okay. The next one is could not. This is simplified to couldn't. So yeah, couldn't. The full version or the expanded version is could not, but when you simplify, it's couldn't. Couldn't. So you don't pronounce the L at all. It's silent. It's just couldn't. Couldn't. Another one is did not. The contraction of this is didn't. 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 And then we've got do not. This is simplified to don't. Don't. So it's more like a command. Don't do this. Or don't touch him. So yeah, it's more like a command. So the way to pronounce it is don't. Don't. Next one is does not. the contraction of this is doesn't. Doesn't. So I think you guys get the gist of it now. It's quite self-explanatory, quite intuitive. But yeah, I'll be continuing this into the part 2 video, so yeah, stay tuned.